Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, good morning. I'm Joberty Rafael and ngayon magdodrawing tayo ng analog camera and digital camera. What is analog camera? Analog camera capture image by exposing photographic film to light with the scenes in front of the lens being reproduced onto the material thanks to the chemical reaction between the silver halides and the light itself. The film is then developed in the darkroom and turned into an actual photograph print. What are the parts of analog camera? The front view, the shutter, film advance, the shutter speed indicator, iOS selection, hot shoe, rewind, and f-stance, focus ring, and the lens. And the back rear view, the film compartment, the viewer, the camera back, the take-up spot, the rewind button. What's a digital camera? A digital camera is a hardware device that takes photograph and store the image as the data on a memory card. Unlike an analog camera which exposes film chemical to light, a digital camera uses digital optical components to register the intensity and the color of light and conversion into pixel data. What are the parts of the digital camera? The shutter button, the flash, AF, assistant light, time lapse, display, lens, power button, microphone, front LCD button, speaker, and the internal antenna. And for the back naman, trip mount, battery, chamber cover, and the USB and AV port, except USB card and HDD cable. And that's for today. Thank you for watching. Good day and God bless.